Why does the vinyl cut strip get damaged? More or less, when you're setting your vinyl and your blade on the machine for the particular type of vinyl you're going to be using. Either you set your force too high or your blade is sticking out too much. So when you set a job, it's going to cut right through your vinyl and into the cutting strip. So if that repeats numerous times as you work with the machine, the cutting strip does get ruined and also affects the quality of cuts you're going to do on your final material. When you get this kind of result on your vinyl cut job, there is a good chance that your vinyl cutting strip needs replacing. And today, I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly how to change that. This is a cutting strip for a V-Smart, a V-Smart Plus, and a V-Auto. To replace the cutting strip, you firstly measure the length of the strip you want to replace on the machine and cut off the length. Right. Next, on the machine, you take a small flat screwdriver. You pin it against the edge of the machine to lift off the cutting strip. And you just pull out to remove it. There is no glue needed to replace the damaged one with the new one. You can just pull it right through out. To replace your cutting strip, you just need to lay it on the position where it fits. You take a flat screwdriver, maybe this size, with a smooth rounded back, to use it to press in your cutting strip onto the bed. So you can use an inward motion and outward motion, or you can simply just press against the bed of the cutter. More or less starting from one side, either this side going that side or that side coming this side, so that you can have an even placing of the strip. Not too much force is needed, more or less just a little bit to get the strip right into the groove. Right. Until it reaches the end. And just make sure it clips right into both the front and the back grooves. And voila, you have successfully installed your cutting strip. And on the V series vinyl cutter, the principle is the same. The only difference between the two machines is the cutting strip on the V series is much wider. With the same concept, you measure your cutting strip, remove the existing one, maybe clean out the surface if it needs cleaning, put your new cutting strip, and using the back of your screwdriver, rub against the bed to put the cutting strip into position. Here at am.co.za, we stock both cutting strips for the V-Smart and the V-Series machine.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car. This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.